Hi guys, I'm Rilyn Dinyae, and today I am here with Amber.
I don't want to because I'm wearing alot.
Well, that didn't work.
I don't know if you noticed, but it's pointing. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I'm here with
Amber.
and we're gonna be doing the pizza challenge. The way this works is we both have a crust. We're gonna be choosing out of a bowl with 16 numbers on them, and then we're gonna get a bag that goes with it, and then we'll have to put that on our pizza. But first we need to do sauce and cheese, so yeah. Now we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to go first. I'll go first. Okay.
8.
I know what it is. No, just kidding, I don't.
I'm nervous. It's in like a little container. Oh, yay! Pepperoni.
Can I eat one? I need to make sure they're safe. Okay, so you don't die.
Are they poisonous?
You're safe.
Okay.
11. The heck? It's jelly beans.
I need to make sure they're not poisonous.
Okay, you can make sure they're not poisonous. Is it poison?
I think you shouldn't have these, they're poison.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all yours.
10. Ew, it's some sort of can.
Oh, olives are
Olives.
nasty. 15. It's in a container. I can't even stay downstairs when my family eats this. It's sauerkraut.
6. Oh, it's in a container. I mean,
Chocolate?
they did not. No, I don't know why I was so excited.
16. It's rice! Yay! I love rice.
14. Oh, I know what this is already. Rilyn?
12! It's a pepper. You want it? Take a bite. It's 4.
That's not a 4.
Put it upside down.
Oh. Oh no, I'm scared.
Pretzels. Is that 2 or something?
That's a 2. Wait, oh, those are my little. Wait, let me see.
It's corn!
9.
I love pickles.
Okay, you can have. I want to refill. This was open.
Because we already had it.
Oh.
7. It's a crab. Or shrimp. They're mushrooms.
13. Oh no. Oh, that's not terrible. It's bacon.
Ooh, that's good. 1. It's chips or something. Fritos. Woo! Ready?
3.
What?
What?
Confetti. 5. Okay. Tomatoes. Okay, so now we're going to show you what our pizzas look like before we put them in the oven. And here's what they look like after they're all cooked. So let's give them a try. Now it's time to try it. 3, 2, 1.
It doesn't taste terrible. That's because I don't have an olive on this one.
Mine tastes like normal pizza. Beanie. A lot. Now we're gonna try each other's pizza.
I don't know. Who did you think is worse?
That banana is nasty.
I know. Try eating a whole olive.
Okay, so my favorite pizza was probably mine.
I have to agree. That was like, didn't taste terrible. Like,
Hers is just like banana. The only bad thing about mine is the sauerkraut. If it weren't for that, it would be really good. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below whose pizza you think looks better and what you want to see from me next. I love you guys so much. Bye!